Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade hot sauce. First, let's talk about the essential ingredients you'll need to get started. You'll want fresh chili peppers, a good quality vinegar, some garlic, and salt. The type of pepper you choose will dictate the heat level, so pick wisely. For a robust batch, aim for about 1 pound of your chosen peppers. This simple combination forms the foundation of a delicious and customizable hot sauce. Get ready to spice things up. Once your ingredients are ready, it's time to start cooking. Begin by roughly chopping your chili peppers and garlic. Don't worry about making them perfectly uniform, they'll be blended later. Place these chopped ingredients into a saucepan, then add about 1 cup of vinegar. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Let it cook for approximately 15 minutes or until the peppers and garlic are noticeably soft. This step helps to meld the flavors beautifully. Now for the exciting part, transforming your cooked ingredients into a smooth sauce. Carefully transfer the hot pepper and vinegar mixture from the saucepan into a blender. Be cautious as the mixture will be hot. Blend on high speed until the sauce is completely smooth and there are no visible chunks of pepper or garlic remaining. This usually takes a few minutes. After blending, strain the sauce through a fine mesh sieve to remove any pulp or seeds, ensuring a silky texture. Congratulations, your homemade hot sauce is almost ready. Once strained, pour your delicious creation into clean, sterilized bottles. Glass bottles with tight-fitting caps work best for storage. Your hot sauce can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 months, allowing you to enjoy its vibrant flavor over many meals. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This sauce is perfect for adding a kick to tacos, eggs, or anything that needs a little extra spice. Enjoy your culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.